Hey friends, thanks so much for coming back on my channel. Whether I was in your suggestions box or you're subscribed to me, thanks so much for clicking play and watching my review on this straightening brush type thing. I've never tried it before, not sure what I feel, but the reviews are pretty good, so I figured it would make at least a good YouTube review for you guys, and maybe I'll end up loving it and it'll totally work for me. So that is what this YouTube video is all about today. I hope you all had a great New Year's, and let's get to it. So a couple days ago I ordered the Asavea hair straightening brush on YouTube. It was $40. It had 4 stars and 10 reviews, which is like not the greatest. I literally went back and forth between several straightening brushes. I'm so indecisive. I had no idea what I wanted to do, but I just went with this one. It was very like modern and not bulky at all. It kind of just like looked nice, and I like the black. It was clean, it was small, so I went with it. So I haven't looked at it yet. I just got the Amazon box, and I wanted to open it while showing you guys what's inside. Weird. So this is what it looks like. The Asavea hair straightening ceramic brush. So I'm going to open it a little bit more. It says with double anion spray. Get straight, shiny, smooth results with double anion spray technology. Easy to use, fast straightening, and safe. What I'm kind of concerned about is like this gray strip is like super easy to open. I'm not sure. I feel like they messed up with the packaging and it should be like longer, but maybe that's like, I don't know. It was just way too easy to open. So this is what it looks like inside. It looks very, very clean, very pretty. I love the rose gold accents on it. This is what it looks like. So I have the cord, two plug things here, and the brush. So this is what it looks like. Asavea. And then I have directions here, and that's all that comes with this straightening brush. Very easy and straightforward. So I'm going to plug it in while I kind of skim through the directions. Okay, so pretty much right now, this is what it looks like. I just plugged it in and it's blinking off. So I'm going to turn it on. It automatically went to 360 degrees, and now it's counting up to 360, which is actually kind of cool and going fairly fast, but I'm going to bump it to 390 maybe. I'll try 390 and go from there. My hair is like kind of thick, super curly, but it is like pretty short, and I know people have worse hair than me, so I'm not really sure what to gauge it at, but I'm gonna try 390. Maybe I'll go up, maybe I'll go down. Usually with my other straightener, it's at like 380, but then my curling iron's at 410, so I'm kind of in between. So while this calculates, which is actually done now, so that was like super fast. So now I'm at 390. Literally seconds ago it just started up, so it's super fast. This is probably even faster than my straightener. And it told me to comb through my hair, which I'm pretty sure I have my comb. So obviously you're supposed to be working on dry hair, so I'm just going to comb out my curls, make sure that it's not tangly or anything, and just, yeah. I'm going to do layers. So I'm going to do the top half of my hair, and then I'll do the bottom half of my hair. You're supposed to be using short increments of hair while you brush it, so I'm not going to do like a lot at a time. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to like brush it again, even though it's like fine. Maybe this much? I don't know. And then I'm going to straighten it. I'm going to straighten it outwards. Okay. I'm going to go a little bit upwards. Working well so far. You could definitely smell it. I don't know if I'm like doing too much heat or if it's the ceramic I smell, but or like the plastic or something. But I can smell it. It's not too heavy. It's pretty easy to use. It's working pretty well. I can't see. I think there's like a curl thing. And it combs your hair pretty smoothly. All right. Ooh, it's hot though. I feel like this temperature is good. I honestly could probably go even less than this because it seems like it's straining pretty fast. Okay. Also making my hair really, really smooth. Really hot. Some of the straightening brushes that I was looking at on Amazon came with a glove, which makes sense because it does get really hot and like this surface is super hot, so you can easily burn yourself. But this strainer did not come with it. This might be tricky. Pretty straight. And then we'll do this real quick. All right. Now I'm gonna do the bottom half. I'm going to speed it up so that it's faster for you guys, so you're not just like watching me straighten my hair with a brush. So I'll see you in a little bit. this is the outcome of my hair after I straightened it with my brush. It's actually pretty straight. I am impressed. I think it includes a lot more volume because you're not pin straightening your hair. You're not gonna get it completely straight, which is fine by me because I pin straighten my hair so often with my straightener that it just gets so flat. Whereas this, it kind of adds more volume and more poof to it. Also, like the small areas like this and like this are kind of hard to straighten just because they're so small and really close to your skull. But I think overall it's awesome. Really not sure what my back looks like, but I try to straighten it as much as possible. This is pretty much as straight as it can get, which is pretty straight compared to what my hair looked like naturally. It takes, I don't know if it takes shorter time or the same time. I know my straightener that I have now is a really high quality one, so within one pass it straightens. But I feel like this would be faster and better quality than any other $40 hair straighteners you might buy. So I would definitely suggest getting one of these brush straighteners. They're awesome. It makes your hair super smooth and you don't have to have your hair pin straight. It just adds more volume. Yeah. This video is not sponsored by them in any way. This is just my honest opinion. I think I overheard my coworkers last week talking about having their brush instantly dry and straighten, and I tried researching those kinds of brushes online, but I couldn't find anything that is like healthy that dries and straightens. So I just decided to get a brush that straightens instead, which I'm super happy about my purchase. Like I said, this was $40. I will leave the link below of where you can get it, but I think it's awesome. Super smooth, works like a charm, very compact, smooth, still at $3.90. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching my video, and please subscribe if you like what you see and want to see more videos like this. Leave your comments below if you have a brush straightener or what kind of brand you have, and let me know your feedback on whether you like it or not. And don't forget to like this video. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much. Bye!